Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT network error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you have to do first, click here and then type control panel, and after that you need to find here network and sharing center, and if you can't find it, all you have to do just click view by and make it small icons, and then click network and sharing center. And once you're here, you need to go to this one, connections, and access type, it must be internet, and here internet or Wi-Fi, doesn't matter, just click on it and then click disable. After that, go to change adapter settings, right click on it and click enable, and that's it. Now just go back and restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, just try again and your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.